This is the next episode of Avenue Media Weekly. Today we're hosting Philippe Take. You're a co-founder of Gpredictive.
We are a software company from Germany. We have started to develop a software 5 years ago.
Okay.
And the goal was to bring predictive analytics, today we say, or you can call it artificial intelligence, to all companies.
You just said that you came from predictive analytics to artificial intelligence. So what's the difference?
As we started with our company, we called it perhaps more data mining.
Okay.
Or pure statistics, and then there was the invention of new words, data science, machine learning, big data, today artificial intelligence. I think it's more a usage of buzzwords. When we were asked what we are using, what techniques, we say machine learning.
What in specific makes your company a machine learning company, right?
Our software supports people to make better decisions in terms of how to allocate budget, to be sure that you get good results, that you will have a good quality in your results. You will need human beings. We talk about a curation process. So it's a combination of machine learning, and humans can use our software on your own. And then you can perhaps call it artificial intelligence, where the machine makes decisions on your own. But we suggest to have a look in the end before you decide as a human being.
So it's mostly e-commerce, and that's your main area of your business, or where we can use Gpredictive?
I think the best picture is if you think about the customer journey. At the beginning, you just are a contact that approaches a company who is interested for a product. Then it comes that someone buys a product. Then you have customers that have perhaps only bought things for the first time. Then you have customers that buy quite frequently, and in the end you have customers that made their last purchase, I don't know, 4 years ago or so. On the customer journey you have different touch points where you can contact your customers via online channels or offline channels, and in each touch point you can think about that our software provides probabilities how to communicate, how to react to what offer you will do for your customer.
So it's like, you know, the Amazon was the first one who did that, right? Like the recommended product. So it's more advanced thing of that, right? Most advanced variation of that.
Yeah, but it goes in the same direction what we do. But with our software you are able not only to recommend a buyer what he should buy next. You can generate lots of probabilities. For example, if you can predict who is no more going to buy, or who will make less revenues in my company. You can track these predictable customer lifetime values, for example, and then you see over time, you see trends, and then you are able to react much in advance, so that you can target your customers, and that the customer will still make lots of revenue at your company, for example.
But the customers at the end will have added value for you know, in the shop or in any e-commerce area, right?
It should target quite well, because if it will not, then in the very bad case you will lose your customers. If you get always emails or catalogs or phone calls or SMS, I don't know, with the wrong offers,
absolutely,
and perhaps too frequently, then you will quit and perhaps
never come back, right?
It will never come back, yes.
And the last question, it's our favorite question here. What is the biggest challenge for your startup, for Gpredictive, but for artificial intelligence or machine learning at all? In the 2, 3 or 5 years, what will be your biggest obstacles or challenges to fight with?
Lots of companies have tested several things, and most of them are not happy with what they have done in the last years. And what we have learned as well as a provider, we say that it would be better to start very robust, to make one first quick win, and then to iterate, to look for more resources, to look for more data and so on, and to make more money in the end. So big corporates like, I don't know, IBM, Oracle, Microsoft and so on, Salesforce, they can do it very well because they have much more money than we have. But of course, we have that part in our sales approach as well, to talk about these things, to talk to the companies. Okay, you have a goal, what you want to reach, but this will take a long time. What do you think about starting within the next 2 weeks and get the first results after, I don't know, real results and more money in 4 weeks?
I think that's all for today. Thanks a lot for answering our questions. Good luck with Gpredictive here in Poland and in Germany as well.
Thank you.
And that's all for today. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.